Welcome back all my dear students for our virtual classes. My dear students, in the previous video we have completed one type of rock, okay, and that was sedimentary rock, okay, and into that type we have seen there are different example of sedimentary rock, and we have also taken the information about them, okay. Now today we have to see the information about last type of rocks. You already know that there are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and after that metamorphic rocks, okay. And we have seen the information about two rocks. We have seen igneous rocks, after that we have taken the information of sedimentary rock. Now we have to see the information about metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks, okay. So this is the last type of rocks, okay. Now we have to see different types of metamorphic rocks. We have to see the different examples of metamorphic rocks, and we have to see what are the metamorphic rocks and how are they formed. We have to see that. But before that, we will learn about this word, okay. So the term metamorphic, okay, the term metamorphic came from the word metamorphosis, okay, metamorphosis. The term metamorphic came from the word metamorphosis, okay, and the meaning of this word, is what? Change in the form. Change in the form or structure. So you can see here, this word metamorphic came from the word metamorphosis, okay, and the meaning of this word metamorphosis means what? Change in the form or structure. That is the meaning of metamorphosis. Now we have to see how do these metamorphic rocks form, okay. So listen it carefully. We have seen that we have taken the information about what? Igneous rock and sedimentary rock. Sometimes what happened? This sedimentary rock and igneous rocks get buried inside the earth. What happened? Igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. Which rocks? Igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. These two rocks, what happened? They get buried inside the earth's surface, okay. Because of some reason, what happened? These igneous rocks and sedimentary rock get buried inside the earth. And what happened after some time? Due to the tremendous heat and pressure, the minerals which are present into this igneous rock and sedimentary rock, it changes, okay. Due to heat and due to pressure, what happened? The minerals which these rocks contain, what happened? It changes. And what happened there? New type of rock form, okay, and the rock which is formed there, that rock is called as what? Metamorphic rock, okay. Metamorphic, okay, means we can say here, it means metamorphic rock is formed from the igneous and sedimentary rock. So listen it carefully, how do it form? So igneous rocks and sedimentary rock, because of some reason these two rocks get buried inside the earth, Suppose this is earth's surface. So some igneous rocks and sedimentary rock which are present on the earth's surface, they get buried inside the earth's surface, and due to tremendous heat and pressure, the minerals which these rocks contain, they change, and new type of rock formed there, and the new type of rock which is formed there, that rock is called as what? Metamorphic rock. Means we can say here that metamorphic rock is formed from the igneous rock and sedimentary rock. Okay, did you understand that? Okay, so there are 4 types of metamorphic rocks. How many types of rocks are there? Metamorphic rock. There are 4 examples of metamorphic rock. First is marble. Second is slate. Third is quartzite. And last example of metamorphic rock is gneiss. Okay, look at this spelling, G-N-E-I-S-S, gneiss. Okay, and the pronunciation of this is gneiss. So these are the 4 examples of metamorphic rock. Now we have to see the example, or we have to see the information about these 4 types of rocks. Okay, did you understand how do the metamorphic rock form? Metamorphic rock formed from the igneous rock and sedimentary rock. I have already told you that. One more time I tell you. When sedimentary rock and igneous rock get buried inside the earth's surface, and due to tremendous heat and pressure, what happened there? The minerals which are present into these rocks, what happened there? They changed there, and new type of rock formed, and the rock which is formed there, that rock is called as what? Metamorphic rock. And these are the 4 examples of metamorphic rock. Okay, marble, slate, quartzite and gneiss. Now we have to see the information about these 4 types of metamorphic rock. So first, now marble. Okay, now we have to see the example of, we have to see the information about marble. Okay, now look at here, marble. Now marble. Okay, so look at here. Marble is a type of which rock? Metamorphic rock. It is the type of metamorphic rock, and it is formed due to the metamorphosis of limestone. Okay, it is formed due to what? Metamorphosis of limestone. Okay, means this rock is formed from the limestone. Okay, and it is very easy to polish. This marble is very easy to polish, and it is available in different color. The color of this marble is, it is in red, green and white in color. It is available in 3 color: red, green and white in color, and it is very easy to polish. Okay, so that's why marbles are used for making statues, for making pillars, for making floors. These marbles are used, and marbles are also used for constructing the buildings. So here I have told you all the information about marble. So look at here, marble is formed due to metamorphosis of limestone. Okay, so here now I am writing the points about marble. It is formed due to change of limestone. Means we can say here marble are formed due to what? Limestone. Then it is available in red, green white in color. Okay, so marbles are available in these colors, red, green and white in color. After that, next point is it is easy to polish. Means we can easily polish to this marble. Now we have to see the uses. It is used for making flowers, statue and pillars. Okay, it is also useful for constructing the buildings. Here I have given you all the information about marble. I hope you understood this. So please note down all these points which I have written on the blackboard. Okay, here means marble are formed from the limestone. Okay, so here I have given you the information about one example, that is marble. Now last 3 points remain: slate, quartzite and gneiss. After completion of this information, our lesson will complete. Okay, and I hope you understood this today's point that I have taught you. So next point we will see in the next video. Up to that time, stay safe, stay healthy at your home. Thank you. See you in the next video.